So we just arrived here at the Ghost Village. This place is abandoned. We're gonna do some shots here, get some bangers, do some vlogging, have a good time. Come on.
We are in the middle of nowhere, but are we? It's a ghost village, also called half-buried village. It was abandoned for some reason, or nobody ever lived here. Not really sure about this. We just came here to get to know the place properly, and the next time we'll shoot some plant work, that's for sure. But today, pure research.
All right, so Matt just went to return the black magic to the car because carrying that thing, it's heavy, and this is an issue. This sand, it's so fine, it's gonna go into every single crevice of the camera. So that's the pain of using expensive equipment in the desert. For the entirety of this video, I'm filming with the TT Artisan 23mm f1.4 just to test it out. Looks like we got ourselves some company. Some Aeroglider dude. Ah yes, the hero returns. I'm gonna go on top of this roof here.
Do it.
Use the sand dunes to climb. Whoa. Isn't this amazing?
Look at you.
Hey! So that's what happens when you leave a village standing in the desert. This is how the sand just gathers. Like the patterns in the sand is beautiful. Imagine you're going home and your front door looks like this. It's a shame people leave garbage like this. It ruins the whole place.
While I'm flying the drone, we get some visitors. A pack of camels shows up out of nowhere, with no sign of their masters in sight. And they appear to be very curious. They enter the town like they own the place.
Oh, look at you. You're friendly. Okay, I'm flying my drone over us now. They seem to be not
Caring about us at all?
Yeah, just a drone.
They don't seem scared of us or the drone. In fact, they look like they're saying hello.
Oh, he's right behind you. It's so funny that we met these camels. So now we have live commentary with the drone footage as well. He's definitely curious about the drone. Nope, he's not. He's not curious at all. He's in fact ignoring it.
The pack decides to leave, and they leave just as casually as they arrived, crossing the town and leaving by the front gate.
So So the drone that you have is the Mini 2. Do you recommend the Mini 2?
Yeah, it's alright, I guess.
But you told me you want to update to the Air 2S.
Yeah, I'll buy 2S because having 1-inch sensor it's blessing.
Yeah,
I love the better image quality, so I might do it.
yeah.
Not worth it to go for Mavic 3, definitely.
No. That said though, I think the Mini 2 is pretty good for its price as well. So we've spent a few hours here in the buried village of what's called Al-Madam. Al-Madam, buried village of Al-Madam. If you're ever in Dubai, you can consider coming here and checking the space out. We had some highlights actually. We got some friends coming over.
The camels came, visited us, and it was totally unexpected, but most welcome.
I mean, I was very lucky. Flying the drone around the camels was such a huge pleasure. And they didn't seem fazed by it at all.
They didn't care at all. They were the most calm camels I've ever seen.
Camels tend to be pretty calm, huh?
Sand, it's everywhere, unfortunately, as expected.
So if you're gonna film or take photos in the desert, like everything's gonna be covered in sand. Like even this new lens that I'm using right now, I feel when I'm turning the wheels, the sand is in the creaks. And
everywhere.
It breaks my heart. If you're very sensitive about your gear and equipment, don't ever consider going to the desert.
It's rough and it gets everywhere, pretty much.
I'm not doing this on purpose, guys. This is the reality. Just standing still fills your shoes with sand. Yeah, I mean, despite the difficulties, I had a good time. Hopefully we got some cool shots.
Some bangers.
Some bangers.
Oh,
yeah.
we did get it, for sure.
Of course. We're gonna look back on this video and enjoy watching it again. Please hit that subscribe button and like and comment. That way the algorithm gods know that this is great content. Make sure to check out Matt. He's got a banger of an Instagram account and he does...
Oh, come on. Oh, stop it. I'm blushing now.
He does also great photos for people coming to Dubai. So he's your man if you're ever traveling around these parts. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. And I will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey,
Almost synchronized.
Yeah.
Almost.